Can a drone survive the world's most dangerous obstacle course? We are flying heavy autonomous cargo into a high-rise nightmare.
Packed with a 50-pound payload, 2026 battery density makes this a make-or-break year for heavy urban cargo. We enter the canyon, a district notorious for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and completely unpredictable updrafts. If we fail here, autonomous flight remains a suburban novelty. It must conquer the metropolis to survive. Navigating the invisible maze. The new 6G mesh network fights massive electromagnetic interference from the buildings. LiDAR and thermal sensors constantly scan, successfully distinguishing between static ledges and moving window washing platforms. Suddenly, the AI is forced to reroute mid-flight, violently dodging a flock of unauthorized hobbyist drones. The gravity battle begins. The propulsion system struggles to maintain hover stability while descending onto a 50th-story pad. It enters the critical vortex ring state. Its own downwash creates a vacuum, threatening to smash it into the glass. Live telemetry warns of danger. The motors hit peak thermal limits during this final 500-foot vertical ascent. It's a game of precision or chaos. The machine targets a landing pad smaller than its own wingspan. We face the last meter problem. A single inch of GPS drift means the difference between a drop and a catastrophic collision. The automated mechanism successfully locks in, releasing the heavy cargo perfectly onto the rooftop target. Looking down at the gridlock, logistics experts confirm this single drop destroyed the carbon footprint of a traditional truck. The urban verdict is clear. Drones won't replace every truck, but in high-density niches, they absolutely dominate. Upcoming 2027 noise reduction mandates will dictate which hardware actually survives the next wave of strict city regulation. The final scorecard is in. After surviving wind tunnels and signal blackouts, the metropolis is ready for the sky supply chain. The era of the delivery truck is officially under threat as autonomous cargo takes the sky.
We pushed the machines to the absolute limit, and they won. The sky is the new highway. Is your city ready for the swarm? Drop a comment below and hit subscribe to join the future.